Hello everyone, thank you for joining me in today's leg warm-up sequence. I always warm up before I move on to sequences where I hold poses for extended durations, and I highly recommend you do so too. So if you're ready, let's get started. Let's start by opening our legs to the sides and bringing them back to the center. Bend your knees, open to the sides, and bring them back to the center. Open, bring back. Now you're gonna do the same, but this time with straight legs. Open your legs. Bring them back to the center. Your legs are as straight as possible. Lower your feet and extend your left leg, drawing your right knee into your chest. Draw it as close as you can into your chest. Now switch. Draw your left leg into your chest, extending the right leg. Switch between left and right. Go at your own pace. Right knee into the chest, left knee into the chest. Keep moving. Now place both feet on the mat. Lift your right leg up, grab a hold of your thigh, and lift the right leg up and down. Try to straighten your leg. Up and down. You're gonna feel the heat in your right hamstring. Feel free to extend your left leg or just keep it bent. Lift it up and down. Now switch to the left leg. Up, down, up and down. Now let's do a side lunge. Both of your feet face the same direction as your torso. As you bend the left knee, you're gonna extend the right leg. Shift your weight to the right, bend the right knee, extend the left leg. Feel free to place your hands on the mat, on your thigh, or just bring them together in front of your chest. So you're gonna shift your weight from one side to the other, feeling your muscles warming up. Bend the knee. Your back is nice and flat here. Now let's do a nice wide-legged forward fold. Place your hands on the floor. Your legs are straight. Your back is flat. and bend from the knees. So bend and straighten. Go at your own pace here. Bend and straighten, feeling that stretch in the hamstrings. Let's move on with the pyramid pose. Left foot is in front of right foot. Extend through the front leg. Get a big hamstring stretch here. Bend on the exhale. Lift, inhale. As you bend, you can bring your hands together behind your back. Always have a nice flat back here. And just extend your spine, feeling that stretch in your hamstring. Let's switch legs. Bring your right foot in front of your left foot. Bend forward as you exhale. Lift as you inhale. Lengthen through your spine. Reach forward and feel that big hamstring stretch here. Always keep a nice flat back and push back with your hips. Let's do a halfway lift here. So bend forward and bend from the knees and straighten back up. Bend and straighten. Your back is flat here. Now step your left foot in front of you. Extend your right leg behind you. Lift your left hand up to the sky. Bring your hand back down and stay in your lunge position. You can keep your hands on your thigh or on your hip bones. Sink your hips into the mat. Lift up and sink them back down. Move through this motion. Try not to bounce, but more controlled motions. So go down and come back up and bend down. Lower your back knee to the mat. Extend your front leg so your hips come right over the back knee. Try not to round your back here. Extend through your spine. Now step your right foot in front of you. Extend your left leg behind you and lift your right hand up to the sky. Bring it back down. Come into your lunge. So your knee is aligned with your ankle, your front knee. Sink your hips down into the mat. Lift up. Sink down. Try not to bounce. Lift and sink your hips into the mat, feeling that stretch in your hip flexors. Lower your knee, extend your front leg so that your hips come over your back knee. Lengthen through the spine. Great job. Now take a seated position and settle in your seat. Let's do the butterfly. Allow your knees to fall out to either side, bringing your heels together. If you find it hard to sit up tall, place your hands behind your hips for additional support. Keep moving your knees up and let them fall down. Lie on your back, lift the legs, knees are bent, extend your right leg up and then your left leg up. So as you extend your left leg, you bend the right knee, extend the right leg and bend the left knee. Try to fully extend your leg here, up and down, right leg up and down. Now place your left ankle above your right knee and draw your right knee into your chest and back down to the mat. Draw your knee in and to the mat. You're gonna feel the stretch in your left hip flexors. Draw your knee up and back to the mat. Now let's switch legs. Your right ankle goes over your left knee. Draw your left knee into your chest. Draw it all the way until you feel that stretch in your hips and come back down. Draw it to the chest. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope you found this sequence useful and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!